Welcome back to the mix, and in the mix today we have Gracie and Harry as they both took to social media to address Damien and to talk about things. Now enjoy the video and please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Yeah, man, I know Gracie making have wings. Gracie fight for them in America, where the US there.
Yeah, she say,
Enough for them vex for this, you know. For that simple something where I go right now, and them don't know something you do this often. Enough of them vex for this. Yeah, man, enough of them vex for this.
yes, they no like this.
I'm lucky. Got take on a pill. Got take on a tablet. Got take on a nasal. Got take anything you want to take. Yeah. Got take on a pill. For anybody when I like this. That's one of a theater people argument. Share the life, people. Share the life. Yeah, Gracie. Kingston 13 at the house.
13, you. What 13? They were 13.
Good girl 13. Make sure come in.
No, if she can't come, you can add one more person on it. Pick up yourself,
Yeah,
13.
Add all of the personalities there. We can't add them.
We can't add 13. We can't add no more on it. We can't add 13 on it.
Live was say.
We can't add 13 on it. We can't add 13 on it.
So Gracie, what go about ratty she? I oversaw. Over the quiet.
Oh, me don't know. I want one over there.
I'll prayer meeting me here I keep over there.
Don't nothing wrong with prayer meeting. Prayer is good.
Nothing wrong with it. But them never used to normally keep it. Yeah.
Keep it past Sunday this time, man.
Wanna go do.
Let's keep church past Sunday.
A nation as there. Top notch, a nation. Yes, she say?
Top notch a nation.
By their badge you shall know them. When you see them strike the one, you know say Harry. When you hear them say Planka, you know Auntie Dada. When you see them say Yahweh, you know a Gracie people them. Gracie, I'm gonna get a Guinness and come.
Top notch, big up your stuff. All of my nation is them. Yeah, man, top notch, a big nation, man. That's not top notch, will leave me out. None at all. Oh, this is some angry face. Who's so mad?
Oh, man. No worry, because you know for this tribe, all angry face. Potters, fling up the happy face them out there. Fling up peer love. Where you to go? Show them say what happy over here. It's a celebration. Eh?
Nation, they must tell them, they must tell them, yeah, we side, my love.
I'm ignorant because them know your things that come and you got to beat them. You got to beat them, and then I always win. Them know that. Gracie, bring home the victory.
Yeah, the one over